Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of woman. A female adult human being. For example, a drawing of a young woman. American pronunciation. Woman. Woman. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Woman. Say. Woman. Woman means adult human female. Woman. Woman. Woman origin. Old English wifman, or mansi wife, woman, is a peculiar formation that can be found in English. The ancient word for wife was wifman. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. London women are globally minded. Now, repeat after me. London women are globally minded. The second practice. Art inspires creativity and empowers women. Now, repeat after me. Art inspires creativity and empowers women. Visual representation of woman. Woman means a female adult human being.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.